unboxing a Nintendo Wii that I got today. So yeah, let's just get on to first gotta open this. And it has two things. So yeah, just really good. I'll pull the first one out. And in the first one, it really all has stand, controller thing, nunchuck, the AV cables, I think that's what they're called. Not sure. Booklets, and Wii Sports Resort, and I think it's just Wii Sports behind it. Wii Sports behind it. Then still got some stuff in here. Sensor bar and stand for the sensor bar. That's it for this box. And then go into this box, which has the Wii and controller. Oh, there's some batteries in the box. Okay, so yeah, batteries were in the box. Put that there. Now I got this, the power block brick. You also get the controller. See, I had a Wii before, but I guess this has extended battery or something. I don't know what that is. It also comes with a case, so I have two cases, so yeah, that's cool. Okay, moving on. Pull this up. Okay, that's it. Now, I will unwrap this. Right here is the Wii itself. In the back, that's where the sensor goes. For your AV, power, USB, and that's your disc, of course, power, reset, eject, and right in here, let's see, this is a SD card and sync for like a new controller. This is for the actual controllers like GameCube and that. So yeah, that's it on guys. And the little vents, little vent back there, but so yeah, that's it. Just go on and check out my other videos and check out my website with my friend up on Crackers. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys next time.